Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share Amazon Pay link on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Amazon app and then tap on this option of three horizontal line given at the bottom right corner. Then from over here you will find these options on top and then tap on this option of Amazon Pay below shop by category. Then from over here you will see this kind of interface, including this option of invite your friends, which has generated the link for you to share, including the referral code. Now go ahead, tap on invite your friends. Then this interface is gonna pop up with the option of, you can see the details regarding the link and the invite on WhatsApp option. Go ahead, tap on the invite on WhatsApp. Then interface gonna pop up with this option at the bottom. Tap on WhatsApp and then go ahead, it will redirect you to WhatsApp app. Search in the person you would like to send it to. Once you found the person, copy paste the particular link over there and tap on send for them. It will be sent, and when they open it up, that's how you can share Amazon Pay link on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.